This laptop came with HDD, and we are trying to install an SSD in here. So by replacing the HDD, this is Asus, sorry, SSD. This is Asus. What is the model?
Vivobook-17.
Vivobook-17.
i5 8th generation.
i5 8th generation. It's with HDD it was very slow. So what we decided is to buy a, what was this? What is this? WD?
WD Blue 3D NAND SSD with SATA 3.
SATA 3 500 GB. Install the 8. What you need to the typical thing with this is you have to unscrew the whole panel from the top, so it's not coming from the bottom. You need to take it out from the top, which has few screws. I'll show you the screws part when I.
There's screws on the bottom that you take out, and then you lift the top off.
Yeah, you just lift the top off like it comes out as a lid.
But you have to unplug these first. So
then you need to unplug these two cables.
This is the keyboard and this is the trackpad.
Yeah, keyboard and the trackpad, and then you can replace your HDD with a SSD.
This is SATA B.
SATA B, and then that's a bay, yeah, where it goes, and the system becomes super fast.